me see it. Nice. Did you put your sticker on there? Put it on.
Hated it.
Not quite the experience we were looking for. Still a little young. Hold on, JJ. I'll help you put it on there. There you go. Do you want another sticker? Which one do you want? Help him pick a sticker.
Get this dang on thing off.
I know, they're hard.
Everything except for the sticker off.
Mm-hmm.
My eye looks beautiful.
It does. What stickers did you put on there?
These ones.
Thank you.
check.
You want to show me?
And the bunny and the...
Hold your egg. Easy with your egg.
Like seriously, I can't get any off.
And a bunny. Did you put an Easter basket on there?
No.
Oh.
I just don't see it. Just a basket.
Butterfly?
He says he doesn't like them. Jay, do you want a butterfly?
Ah.
He says, see? Look, every time.
But egg. Here. The basket. Sorry, did I? I'm ready to go to sleep.
It's 7.
Damn like you.
I have to go to Target. Well, they don't close till 10, so I guess I can help with bedtime and then go.
What does this do?
They can't just put themselves to sleep.
What does this do, guys?
No. They also need to bathe themselves, which they're not
The dog can bathe them, man.
doing yet. I think he looks so cute in that big t-shirt.
She's cute.
Hey, Move. Look at it. Did you crack it?
Yeah, you just cracked it.
Easter Bunny's going to have to see a cracked egg.
Oh, okay.
It's alright. I'm sure he won't mind.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll be happy if we will fix that.
We can't fix it, but let's decorate the rest of the eggs. Put some stickers on them.
Okay. I will put this one.
Here you have free range on all these.
Mm-hmm.
Mine wants to be sparkly, Daddy.
Okay. Put some sparklers on it. Which one? This one?
Yes. Like this one.
You want that one sparkly?
Yes. What does that do?
Put sparkly on it.
Sparkly on it? Oh, okay. Oh, that one looks good.
You all done?